Hey guys, Mario here. Today I'll be showing you my favorite AI tool that I've been using for the last month. It's Notion AI. You probably heard of it if you heard about Notion. It has been on a waitlist kind of program for a few months now, but it's finally open to the public and you can go and try it right now. It's pretty similar to ChatGPT with just asking questions, but then also it puts it into nice forms, nice structures. In terms of other uses, I have used it a lot for social media stuff, just getting ideas for these videos or even just writing a script that I would be pretty much proud of if I wrote it myself. Okay, so let's get right into it. Let's create a new page, and on this page you can see that you have two options. You can either just start typing normally in Notion like you usually would, or you can go to Notion AI and give it the prompt by clicking Start Writing with AI, or even you can do, I think, a spacebar, a space for AI, and it will just open it up if you don't have the option to open it by a click. As you can see, you have some drafts ready for your use of Notion AI, and it's really useful to have all of these prompts, especially when you're, for example, writing a script. Then first and foremost, before even writing a script, you should have some ideas of what the video is actually going to be about. So this is where you can brainstorm some ideas for the video, or you can write an outline, write a social media post about it to have a kind of like a shorter version of what you're trying to say. Some of these ideas don't really fit you. There are even more to select from, or you can use whatever you like. And Notion AI actually stores all of the prompts that you give it and gives you an overhaul if you wanted to get back to something. So let's create a to-do list about, for example, this video. So write a to-do list about the process of creating a YouTube video about Notion AI. Let's do that. So it will come up with some actionable steps, and well, there are a lot of them. I would actually use those. It doesn't give you like the basic thing of just like plan out the video, get what you need and things like this, but it actually has some extras like create graphics and animations to enhance the video. It's a pretty good idea, to be honest. So now when you finish writing it, you can select spacebar again and now go to some advanced options that are available after you actually wrote something with AI. So there's continue writing, which will write even more. There's summarize, find actionable items, translate into different languages, explain it if you don't really understand something, improve writing, make shorter, make longer, which are really good. For example, for condensing a whole video into just like a 30-second YouTube short. These two are probably my favorite parts, which is change tone. So for example, when you're writing an email, for example, for school, or you're writing an email for work, you can change the tone to be more professional, more straightforward with your message if you don't really want longer emails. And then there's the second option, there's simplify language, which comes really handy, especially when writing scripts for videos, which will make everything just understandable for like a 10-year-old. And Notion AI has some concept of what you previously asked. So for example, let's say the fourth point, record footage of Notion AI in action. Okay, so we can ask it, what do you mean by the fourth point? So if you ask it a question like this, it will give us the explanation of what we meant. And if we still don't understand the step that we are supposed to take, we can, for example, make it longer, and it will explain in more detail. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little spotlight of Notion AI. I really have been using it pretty much every single day. I'm not sponsored in any shape or form by Notion, but it's really useful. You can go right now and try it out for yourself for the first 20 prompts, and after that it's like $10 a month, which is virtually nothing if this is going to make your life easier. So this is going to be everything for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.